In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up URL redirects in GoHighLevel. URL redirects are a simple way to send visitors from one web address to another, which is super handy for cleaning up old links, shortening long URLs, or guiding traffic from a retired page to a new one. Even if you don't have a domain connected yet, you can still follow along to learn the flow. Just keep in mind that the redirect won't function publicly until your domain is connected and live in your GoHighLevel account. Start by opening your GoHighLevel location and heading to the Settings area. This is where you manage foundational controls for your account. In the menu inside Settings, look for the section labeled Domains and URL Redirects. That's the dedicated place for managing your web domains and setting up the rules that move visitors from one URL to another. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions or to switch to the correct location. Next, select Add a Redirect. This opens a simple form with two key fields, Source and Target. Think of Source as where your visitors are coming from, and Target as where you want them to land. For Source, you'll usually enter a path that starts with a slash, like our promo or old page. This tells GoHighLevel to redirect traffic from that path on your connected domain. Keep it exact. Pay attention to spelling, hyphens, and trailing slashes, because the match needs to be precise. For Target, enter the full destination URL, including HTTPS, // This can be a page inside your GoHighLevel site or any external link you control. If your destination includes UTM tracking or query strings, paste the full URL exactly as you want it recorded. Avoid creating loops, like sending #promo to a page that itself redirects back to promo. Some accounts may show options such as permanent or temporary behavior. If you see them, permanent is typically used for long-term moves, while temporary is for short-term campaigns. Choose what matches your need and keep it consistent across similar redirects. When everything looks correct, click Add Redirect to save. Changes usually take effect quickly, though caching can delay things a bit. If your domain isn't connected yet, the redirect will save, but won't be reachable until the domain is active. Once live, you can test by visiting the source path in a private browser window to confirm it jumps to your target URL. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to go in GoHighLevel, how to create a redirect, and what to watch for to keep links clean and reliable.